Mabuhay! Pamilyar ba sa inyo ang Region Arm? O may idea ba kayo ano ang Region Arm? Ngunit bago natin simulan ng ating paglalakbay ngayong araw na ito, hayaan niyo munang ipakilala ang aking sarili. Ako nga pala si Mac Vincent Ray Pimentel Tinaha, o mas kilala sa tawag na Kuya Mac, at ako ang iyong maging gabay para tuklasin natin ang Region Arm. Region Arm o the Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao ay ang pinakahuling region na makikita sa timugang bahagi ng Mindanao sa bansang Pilipinas. Ito ay binubuo ng mga lalawigan na nakararami ay Muslim, ang Basilan, Lanao del Sur, Maguindanao, Sulu at Tawi-Tawi. Region Arm also consists of 2 component cities, 116 municipalities, and 2,490 barangays. Region Arm has its own regional government with a governor, executive departments, but it also remained under the jurisdiction of the national government. The region was established in 1989 through the signing of Republic Act No. 6734 by President Corazon Aquino. This act aims to address the historical grievance of Muslim Filipinos and promote self-governance in the region, and later on turned over from ARM to BARM, or the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, took place in February 26, 2019, which meant the full abolition of the former. At ngayon, ang unang lalawigan ng ARM na ating tuklasin ay ang lalawigang Basilan. Ang Basilan ay ang pinakamalaki at pinakahilagang bahagi ng mga pangunahing isla ng Sulu Archipelago at matatagpuan lamang sa katimugang baybayin ng Zamboanga Peninsula. Ang kabisera nito ay Lamitan. Ang Basilan ay tahanan ng 3 pangunahing grupong etniko, ang mga katutubong Yakan, Tausug at Zamboangueño. Basilan's earliest settlers were traditionally believed to be the Orang Dampuans originating from the island of eastern Indonesia, who are supposed to be the ancestors of the natives Yakans. They are variously called the Orang Jaks or the Tagihamas. 3 sa mga sikat na mga pasyalan sa lalawigang Basilan ay ang Malamawi Beach, Bulingan Falls at Lampinigan Island. Malamawi Beach, the very clean beach, has fine white sands and turquoise water excellence for swimming. Bulingan Falls, nestled in the heart of Basilan, is a natural wonder that stands out for its unique and breathtaking features. Known for its remarkable walls, the most remarkable features of Bulingan Falls is its natural rock formation that leaves visitors in the sheer wonder. Lampinigan Island is a hidden gem with a small yet breathtaking stretch of pristine white sand beach. The azure water and the relative unexplored nature of this destination make it perfect getaway for those seeking solace and a touch of adventure. Let's watch this video. The Basilan Province famous festival is the Pakaradyaan Basilan. It is an annual cultural festival in the province of Basilan, Philippines, held in every 7th of March. Pagkain, ito lang naman ang dulang, or the yakan dish of Basilan. It is a set of food composed of rice mixed with malagkit, viands like kaliya or yakan chicken dish, kinan, fried fish, and vegetable dish. The rice must be molded in cone shape, placed in a large round platter with a banana leaves with the viand, kaliya, kinan, and the vegetable dish surrounding it with a cover of tuto, a cover made of native material to protect from the food from flies. This dish is usually prepared during special occasion like Thanksgiving. Sunod ay dadako na naman tayo sa lalawigang Lanao del Sur. Lanao del Sur o Timog Lanao ay isang lalawigan sa Pilipinas na matatagpuan sa Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM na ang kabisera ay lungsod ng Marawi. Lanao ay nangangahulugang lawa, nagmula sa Ranao. Ang lalawigan na matatagpuan sa base ng lawa ng Lanao ay kilala bilang lupain ng mga Maranaos na nangangahulugang ang mga tao ng lawa. Mga sikat na lugar na pwede nating bisitahin sa Lanao del Sur ay ang Lake Lanao at Mount Raga. Lake Lanao, which is the largest ancient lake in the province of Lanao del Sur, Philippines. With a surface area of 340 km², it is the largest lake in Mindanao, the deepest and second largest lake in the Philippines, and counted as one of the 15 ancient lakes in the world. Mount Ragang, also called Mount Piyapayungan and Blue Mountain by the local people, is an active stratovolcano on Mindanao Island in the Philippines. With an elevation of 2,815 meters, it is the 7th highest mountain in the Philippines and the highest point in Lanao del Sur. For their famous festival, we have the Sagayan Festival, a war dance in Maranao depicted in dramatic fashion steps of their hero, Prince Bantugan, took upon wearing his armaments the war he fought in and his subsequent victory afterwards. Warriors would carry shields with shield noisemakers in one hand and double-bladed swords in the other, attempting rolling movements to defend their masters. Para sa pagkain naman, nangunguna sa listahan ang dudol. Dudol is a Maranao delicacy which is made from sticky rice, coconut milk, and sugar. It has become a popular iftar food aside from being served during celebrations like weddings and Thanksgiving. Brua, this delicious snack, is no stranger to any foodie, coming with different names like bruas, ladyfinger cookie, or sponge biscuits. Para naman sa lalawigang Maguindanao, hayaan nyo ang aking kasama ang magpatuloy.
Welcome to Maguindanao. Maguindanao, locally Maguindanaon, Probinsya ng Maguindanao, Iranon, Probinsya ang Maguindanao, Filipino, lalawigan ng Maguindanao, was a province of the Philippines located in the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao or BARM. From 2014 to 2022, its provincial capital was Buluan, but the legislative branch of government, the Maguindanao Provincial Board, convened at the old provincial capital in Sultan Kudarat. It bordered Lanao del Sur to the north, Cotabato to the east, Sultan Kudarat to the south, and Illano Bay to the west. History established November 22, 1973. Division placed beside and this establishment September 17, 2022. End of transition period January 9, 2023.
Further information: Sultanate of Maguindanao, the map of the Sultanate of Maguindanao in 1521 at its largest extent. According to Maguindanao Royal Records, Sharif Muhammad Kabungsuan of Johor introduced Islam to the Maguindanaos at the end of the 15th century. He subsequently married a Maranao princess of Malabang and established the Sultanate of Maguindanao. The name of the island of Mindanao is from a 16th century Spanish approximation of the name Maguindanao, which is at least a Tagalog exonyme, if not an endonyme, of the Maguindanao state and people. Its capital of Cotabato, modern-day Cotabato, formed the Sultanate's heartland, but its influence extended from the Zamboanga Peninsula to Sarangani Bay and Davao. Tourist attraction: Masjid Dimaokong. The mosque construction was financed by the Mayor Samsudin Dimaokong. The land where the mosque was built was a property of the mayor's family. The mosque was built by Christian workmen to symbolize unity and interfaith brotherhood. The mosque first opened during the Ramadan season in 2014. Sultan Haji Hassan al-Bolkiah Mosque. The Grand Mosque of Cotabato, officially the Sultan Haji Hassan al-Bolkiah Mosque, is situated in Cotabato City and is the second largest mosque in the Philippines with a capacity to accommodate 15,000 people. Mount Minandar. Mount Minandar is one of the hiking Maguindanao tourist spots. It is an ideal spot for newbie hikers because of the easy trails. From its top, one can glimpse of the plains, mountains, and seascapes of Maguindanao. It also offers a breathtaking view of the sunrise and the sunset. Location jump of Dato Odin Sinsuat. It also provides livelihood to the locals. One of the main products here is the inwalls, which comes in various colors and designs. Because of their world-class quality, inwall textiles are sold to the international market.
Ako'y nagbabalik. Dito naman tayo sa lalawigang Sulu. Ang Sulu ay isang lalawigan ng Pilipinas sa Sulu Archipelago at bahagi ng Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao o BARM. Kabisera ay Hulu sa isla ng parehong pangalan. Ang Sulu ay nasa kahabaan ng timog na hangganan ng dagat Sulu at ang hilagang hangganan ng dagat Celebes. Turismo, halika kayo at bisitahin natin ang magagandang lugar sa Sulu. Buddaho. This mountain, located in the town of Paticol, is a significant cultural and historical landmark for the thousand people. Visitors can hike to the summit, which offers a panoramic views of the surrounding area, as well as learn about the local culture and history. Hulu Cathedral. This historical church, located in the town of Hulu, is a testament to the Spanish colonial legacy in the province. It was built in 19th century by the Spanish authorities and has since undergone several innovation and restoration. It features a Baroque-inspired facade, a bell tower, and a wooden altar, as well as the museum that showcases religious artifacts and artworks. For their festival, Raha Baginda Festival. This specific occasion respects the immense of Raha Baginda, who is the religious teacher from Sumatra and returned to Mindanao in 1390. At ang huling lalawigang ating tatalakayin ay ang lalawigan ng Tawi-Tawi. Ito ang pinakatimog na lalawigan ng bansa na nagbabahagi ng mga hangganan ng dagat sa estado ng Sabah ng Malaysia. Saklaw din ng Tawi-Tawi ang ilang isla sa dagat Sulu, sa hilagang kanluran, Cagayan de Tawi-Tawi Island at Turtle Island. Kabisera ay Bungaw. The main island of Tawi-Tawi support many endemic species and subspecies of vertebrates, invertebrates, and plants unique to these islands, plus some of the only shared with Sulu province. This includes the Tawi-Tawi brown dove, the Sulu hornbill, and the Sulu bleeding heart, although these latter species may already be extinct. For the famous tourist spot, we have the Gosong Reef. Gosong Reef could offer before boasting of their best sea exploration. Gosong Reef equals no other reef, with its most covered colorful and beautiful squad of aquariums and non-aquarium fish of numerous varieties, and the Sibutu Natural Wildlife Sanctuary, which is located in the picturesque town of Sibutu in Tawi-Tawi. This protected area is a nature lover's paradise and a must-visit for any interested in wildlife observation and bird watching. For the festival, Agal-Agal Festival is the annual cultural and seafood festival in the province of Tawi-Tawi, Philippines every September 27. Sikat ang Tawi-Tawi sa pagkain nilang Junay, rice steamed in coconut milk and toast coconut. The rice is wrapped in a little packet of banana leaves like suman. The packaging make the rice easy to eat and is ideal for packed lunch since the wrap is eco-friendly. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating paglalakbay sa Region Arm. Muli, ito si Mac Vincent Ray Pimentel Dinaha na nagsasabing, more than just a beautiful destination, the Philippines is a feelings. It's the warmth of the sun on your skin, the rhythm of island music in your ears, and the joy of connection with welcoming people. Salamat sa paglaan ng oras sa pakikinig at panonood ng bidyong ito. Paalam!